Una, kaya, kaya, ay! Una, kaya, kaya, ay! Hey, Magdalena Mojo, Lazalea Pruputo.
Hello world at hello sa mga kababayan natin dyan mga Pilipino. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Norwich to showcase our Filipino culture. So today we are celebrating our Barrio Fiesta. This is the taste of the Philippines from the food, culture, and our tradition. So hopefully we'll be able to see every activities for today. Cultural dances, singing and dancing. And basically what I'm here for is the food. So yeah, samahan niyo kami. Let's go!
Thunder Indian disco show.
Hello UK and hello world! Today, we are on our way to Barrio Fiesta. Yes, you heard it right. This is Nurse Lizelle and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, it is actually raining and it has been since last night. But knowing Filipino resiliency, the show must go on and we're still gonna have fun today, aren't we?
Ito po yung mga kasama namin. Hershey. Say hi, Joy. Driver ulit. Driver. It's a driver.
So the entrance fee is just £2 per person and an additional £2 for a car.
Hello. Oh, mag-wave kayo may camera.
We are actually one of the early birds today because I am hoping to capture all the activities for today, and look at that. Dito na tayo. Tignan natin. Medyo maulan kaya magkakote tayo ngayon. We are now here at the Norwich Barrio Fiesta here in East Tottenham Jubilee Hall in Norwich. We have a team today, Pinoy ako, Pinas tayo. This event persevered despite the pouring rain. Tara, samahan niyo ako at maglibot tayo! Ano to kuya, mga prices to?
Nandito na, yung mga prices lang.
Sige, ayan na! Barrio Fiesta is a Spanish word which means community feast. Did you know that the Filipino community in the United Kingdom is one of the oldest Filipino diaspora communities around the world? Today's Barrio Fiesta was organized by a Filipino community organization here in Norwich called Pinas or Pinoy in Norwich Aksyong Samahan. The Pinas Core Group is headed by none other than the Pinas Core Group President, Lady AC. Today is all about reconnecting with the family and friends, unification, program showcasing Filipino culture, Filipino songs, arts, and most of all, Filipino foods. So this will be shared by many which are considered elements that binds us Filipinos wherever we are. Once again, mabuhay! And don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get notified just in case I post more videos like this, then hit the notification bell. If I may add, comment down below what you liked about this video and what you don't like about this video, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Tara na!
So, you know guys, ito yung ating mga copy-copy tayo mga member ng Pinoy Action. Okay, so ano na po mga sorpresa natin ngayon for today?
Oh well, ngayon meron tayong Mr. Ginoo, merong fashion for Filipino costumes, and talents from London, and then all the stalls are there.
And we have raffles
Ruffles,
from
okay.
Apple Watch, iPad, and air fryer, anything.
Kita niyo na, punta na kayo dito ngayon.
Enjoy the day.
Yay!
Para sa inyo lahat to, mga kababayang ko. Yan sabi nga nila,
Pinoy! Pinas tayo.
tayo.
Yeah! Okay. There you go. Hiya! Come over to Barra Fiesta in Norwich!
Hindi ko nakilala.
Sabi ko nang may mga vloggers. Mike talaga yan?
Hello, Mike, sound check. Ano pong masasabi niyo sa event na
Natawa na
to?
tayo, okay. Much awaited ang affair na to. Unfortunately, it's raining right now. Oo, kaya lang ganyan talaga ang summer here in UK.
Ano po yung anticipate niyo sa activity natin ngayon?
Of course, many.
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 Many, like what?
Programs, singing,
Programs.
dancing, of course. Pagkain, di nawawala sa atin yan, di ba mga Pinoy? Pagkain. Siyempre, lapang tayo ng lapang, di ba?
Eh, kayo muna, Mami. Anong expectation natin today? Pagkain lang ang pinunta talaga?
Pagkain.
Pagkain lang talaga. Yun lang, Mami.
Pagkain, no?
Oh, pagkain lang daw. Pareho kami. Kita mo?
Exactly. Kaya tumataba tayo, di ba?
Oy! Grabe naman siya. Thank you so much. May gusto po ba kayo batiin sa Pilipinas?
Yeah, hello to all my friends and relatives back home. Hi!
Kayo po, nanay.
Hindi ka ano sasabihin ko.
Ano po sa inyo? Enjoy po ang day na to.
naman. We'll
Thank you.
enjoy.
Thank you.
It's in the day kasi maraming baka pili kayo kung combo 1.
Oh,
bongga,
guys. At imbitahan mo sila pumunta dito ngayon.
Hello mga kaibigan! Kanina, punta na kayo dito. Maraming kakanin. SND.
SND. Oh, ayan. Ayan. Oh, salamat po, ate.
Okay, salamat tayo.
Masarap, ate. Hi kayo, Ali, sa vlog natin. Oh my God, ang sarap. Anong bestseller natin ngayon, ate?
All of them.
All of them. Lahat paborito ko.
Hello, pinapromote ko yung Vibrant Wellness. Ito po ay maganda pong shop. Pag-reduce ng, ito po yung mga benefits niya. So, maganda po itong inumin. No add to sugar, ready to drink, and healthy, organic. Corn rice. Yes, mais na bigas. So, para siyang quinoa. This good for diabetic also. Seeds, yeah, stevia. So, very healthy po siya. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, ayan!
Salamat.
Kasama po natin si ate. O, invite niyo po sila. Oh, Ate Anita, invite po.
Punta kayo sa August 27. Tayong
po,
cooking show ng Salad Master.
Take it to the screen, guys. Please, take a look at your screen. Cook school? By whom?
Cook show.
Cook show. A cook show, okay? That would be on
Sunday.
27 of August, guys. Sunday. Patient on the screen. So, guys, check it out. Yeah?
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you po. Ano naman yung binibili? Ano yung binibili?
Kinulat na na.
Sarap dito. Bumili na kayo dito.
Oh, ito na nga ang ending sa sasakyan kami kakain kasi umuulan. Right, guys? Ano in-order natin dyan?
Sisig,
Sisig.
rice,
Aha.
lechon, and laing.
Masarap?
Of course.
Lovely. How about you?
I have sisig, pancit, and igado.
Wow.
Yum,
Yum, yum. How about you? Amen, lechon. Kawali, what's in it? Igado and langka. Let's go. Okay, guys, we have one of our friends, another nurse here in the UK who happens to have a side business in which you would want to know. Okay, I'm gonna give the mic to him. Here he comes.
Hi, I'm Richard Alquisa from Norwich. I'm working as a nurse here. My side hustle job is an international marketing partner of SMDC International. So, sa mga gustong mag-invest ng rent investment back in the Philippines while you're working here as a nurse, please come and approach me. I've got my business card here. Today is the Barrio Fiesta here in Norwich, 5th of August. Yes, please come and visit my store. Thank you.
Advice natin sa mga bagong nurse dito sa UK.
Okay, ang mga bagong nurses dito sa UK, dapat magpapabait kayo lagi. Hindi na ako. Mga coins, mahilig mag-collect ng mga coins. Andyan po ang mga examples. Kung gusto nyo yumaman, kagaya ng aking partner dito, si Mr. Richard, contact lang niyo kami.
Ayan na, sumagot ng mga boss ko.
Okay, kasama natin dito ang ating mga friends. Hello kayo. Hi, everyone. Ano ina-expect natin ngayon sa ating Barrio Fiesta? Mga masasarap na pagkain. Mga na-miss nating pagkain. Oh, like what? Anong favorite natin? Lechon. Ano pa? Sisig. How about you? Pansit. Nakarami siya ng pansit kanina. Pansit. Anong pinaka-favorite natin ngayong araw? Bestseller natin. Siyempre, lechon. Tsaka yung mga kakanin. Magdi-dessert na kayo. Anong dessert ang gusto nyo ngayon? Ay, nakita ko pichi-pichi at pichi-pichi. Halo-halo. Halo-halo. Kahit malamig yan. Sige. Enjoy natin to. Salamat.
At syempre naman, kahit malamig at umuulan, para sa ating mga Pilipino, halo-halo pa rin ang pinakamasarap na dessert today here at the Barrio Fiesta. At tingnan nyo naman, kahit maulan, nag-enjoy pa rin ang ating mga kababayan dancing to this tune. Rain or shine, Filipinos find a way to always have fun. Come on, two of them. Mango. And because I couldn't wait anymore, I have to buy what I have to buy. These are all the Filipino foods that we missed So much. So, kailangan bumili na ngayon, baka makalimutan later.
Pag yun ang mga pinili mo, alam mo yun. Magkakailan tayo.
Wow! Wow, kuya!
Natin yun. Yeah. Yung sukli nila dito.
Isakli mo dito, 199?
199? Oh, yung sukli nila dito. Ay, ano ba? Bibili pa akong pagkain.
May crisis. May crisis.
Kuya, tumatanggap din kayo na NHS.
Of course, this was followed by the UK national anthem, God Save the King. Opening prayer was given by El Bailon, followed by the oath-taking of the Pinas core group headed by the outgoing president Jerome Albano. And of course, welcoming everybody for today's Barrio Fiesta with the newly elected Pinas core group president, Lady Calma.
nakatayo. Ay, nakatayo ka na pala. Akala ko nakaupo ka. Pia, how long that you been singing? Di ba lang? May dementia. Oh! Okay, so actually Pia is been singing for 30 years. Pero, ano na po siya, 22 years old lang.
You might think I'm a boss. I'm the 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where that you belong. Asking questions and get some answers. What's the fire red? What is it? What's the word? What is it? What am I? Love to explore, sure
can see she is wearing a bright pink high-neck maxi dress. She is wearing a modern Filipinana designed through the waves of hands and artistry of our Filipino designers back in the Philippines. A mix of sateen in lilac color, adorned in lace and embroidery. She also accessorized it in a bamboo paper umbrella to complete the look.
Ika'y nagulat ng buksan ng pinto. Sayaw ng mga tao'y biglang natinto. Buhok mo'y Gucci, talama kay Gucci. Suot mo'y gawa ni Pitoy, hinanggaling kay Hello. Everybody sing! Bonggang Kaday! Louder! Sige lang! Itaas ang kilay! Come on! Bonggang Kaday! Bonggang Kaday! Sige lang! Itaas ang kilay!
Congratulations to all the winners and congratulations to the Pinas Core Group as Barrio Fiesta integrates group effort and dedication from each member of the organization. And to all Filipinos from all over Norfolk, despite the difficult weather, rain or shine, it didn't stop us from celebrating our culture and tradition. As we all know, Filipinos are known to be resilient. Filipinos always find ways to have fun. It was indeed a celebration of our Filipino culture and heritage. Kudos to you all and mabuhay tayong lahat. This has been Nurse Cel. See you on the next one. Bye!